I have a Chevy Cruze here. This one got hit right in this corner right here, and you can see this quarter panel is all drove in right on the edge there. I'm actually going to repair this quarter panel. I do have some access on the inside to get to it, so I'm going to start off by trying to work this out from the inside of the trunk, and I might end up having to weld a couple tabs on there to put a little outward pressure right on the edge there, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weld this tab on here, right on the edge here, and just put a little out and downward tension on it just to relax this area up in here. It's kind of knotted up a little bit, and just a little bit of pressure and a little bit of work should relax the rest of the way. I went ahead and welded one more tab on. This is working good up here. It relaxed all of this area. I'm going to do a little tension right here and work this out now. I have this one all fit together. I wanted to make sure my metal was sitting right where it's supposed to, and my tail light lines up nice and even, and the bumper cover's fitting good. I still have some repair work to do on the bumper cover, but I'm gonna go ahead and lift this back apart and do my fill work, and I will fit this together one more time before primer. This one's getting close. I'm just gonna put one more thin coat over this front top section right here. So I went ahead and did a final fitment on this one, and everything fits up very nice, just like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one back apart and get it primed up.